Hello, dear friends, developers, creators, and welcome to API Flow YouTube channel. And today in this video, we will discuss a very interesting topic. We will discuss how you can save from FlutterFlow and use files data, binary data in Microsoft SQL Server. So I will create a very simple demo, like it will be a profile creation screen and a profile view screen in my FlutterFlow application. And I have my database set like this. I have profiles table, it have profile ID, name, email, and avatar. Avatar actually is var binary binary data type, and we will use API Flow connection platform to connect FlutterFlow with Microsoft SQL Server and allow us to work with binary data in Microsoft SQL Server. So what we will do first, we will create a project in API Flow and we will select Microsoft SQL Server as service we connecting. I already created a connection to my Microsoft SQL Server, but if you need to connect it, you will require server address or IP address, which can be domain or IP address, server port. If you don't use default, you will need to change it, username to log into your Microsoft SQL Server instance, and password. I already created my connection, so I will use it. And next, I will use a database called API Flow Demo, and I will use my DBO profiles table. So for now, I will use update. I will use only insert and select operations. So I disable update and delete. It depends from your project requirements. So after I finished setup, I need to publish my project. And next, what I will do, I will download Open API definitions. Open API will provide me with this data with definition required to import into FlutterFlow. And next, I will need to copy this header. So I go to FlutterFlow, go to API call section, and will upload my definitions here. I choose my file, upload it, and I have my actions, my API actions that will allow me to work with data in Microsoft SQL Server. Next, what I need to do, I will add the header here. I just copied from API Flow. This will allow me to secure connection with my API endpoint in API Flow, and I will save it. Next, what I need to do, I need actually to configure, create new DPO profiles, and I need to create body parameters. As you remember, I have field profile ID, I have field name, email, and avatar. So here, as you can see, my request body is marked already as multi-part data, and I will add parameters to send to API Flow, and I will create a name field. I will choose various sources from variable and will create a new variable. Then I will create a mail field from variable, create new variable, and parameter avatar, which will be actually photo of my profile, from variable, create new variable. And next I will go to variables and set type for them. Name will be type string, email will be type string, and avatar will be uploaded file type. It's very important. This will allow us to send uploaded file to my server and save it in Microsoft SQL database. So now I save my changes. And next, what I want to do, I will create a new data type. I will create a data type. I will call it profile. I will add profile ID field, it will be integer. I use auto incremented integer as ID field. I will create name field just to store it, and I will create email field. I will not use it actually, but maybe in some future features of my app I will require email. And now I will return to my create new DBO profiles action, where I defined my body and I defined my variables, and I will go here into response and test. I will not test it for now, but I will mark it as parse as data type and will select profile data type to be used as response data type. So now I save it. And next, what we will do, we will start the configuration of our screens of our application. So now I want to upload file, and here, as you can see, I use conditional builder. So if I have image uploaded, I will show an image, and if I don't have image uploaded, I will show a button. And clicking that button, I will allow user to upload image for photo of profile. So I will create a new action on top, add action, and here I will allow upload save media. Upload save media is a camera or gallery, allow photo, and I do not allow video, and I will call it upload profile photo. Okay, great. And I will have this media uploaded here. But I actually want to show this media as an image when it available. So what I want to do, I will create a new page variable, new page state variable here. In my page, I will call it profile image. I'll call it profile image. And I will choose the data type uploaded file. And everything okay, confirm. So now when I click my button, let's show it. When I click my button here, I will save my uploaded file to that state, update page state, set profile image, and set value from widget state uploaded local file. This will allow me to save my uploaded selected file to that page variable, and then I can use it as image here. So let's use it, uploaded file source, as you can see for this image, and uploaded file, we need to choose variable. I will select page state, profile image. Okay, great. And now conditional builder, if my page state, profile image, confirm, move, if condition, single condition, first value, page state, file image, confirm, is set. Okay. Yeah. Then we, if profile image is set, we show image. If it's not set, we show button. Let's try how it works. Let's check it. So as you can see, my application is loaded, and I can select my photo from gallery. And if I choose some photo, it is rendered here as expected. Great. For now, we will end our debug session, our test session, and we return to our application. So now, after we loaded this image, we want to save. And when we filled our data, we want to save our profile to server. And send into our Microsoft SQL Server. So here we will work with our API endpoint, with our API calls we uploaded to our FlutterFlow project, and here we will add action. We will use API call, and we will use our group, create new DBO profile, set additional variables. Name we will map to my name field. Next, I will map email to email field. And next, I will map avatar, my profile image, to uploaded local file. As you can see, it allows us to select this, and API profile result will be name of our variable. So when it's saved, I will do something. I will navigate to new page, but first I want to explain you what will happen into this next page. So at the next page, we will show a name of our user who created profile. We will show a name of our user who created profile, and we will show a photo. So we will use this data from our server, but how to save, how to access data created in the other page? We have few ways to transfer them, but I will use app state, and here I will create app state variable. First one I will call profile ID. It will be integer, and second one will be profile name. It will be string. So when I will be transferred to second page, I will use this profile ID to extract image from my server, and profile name just to display a name of a user. So I return to first page, and when I click save profile, I want to set these variables in the app state. First, I will set profile ID, and I will set this value from my API output, API profile result. This will be a new generated ID, so I will use data type, data structure field, profile ID. As you remember, we already parse API result to data type, so we have structured data. And this is very preferable way to work with data your server returns to you. And next one will be profile name, set value just to save profile name, so we don't query for it again. As data type, data structure field, name. Okay, great. We saved these two fields, and after this, we want to navigate to other page, navigate to view profile. And I will add some extra step. I want to show a snack bar here with message saving data, and after it's saved, we will actually here we'll hide the snack bar. Okay, so this is nice flow of our logic. Also, if some error occur, it worth to display error and etc. But you can find about how to do this in other videos in our channel. So check other videos how to handle API errors. I recommend it. So we have now our logic to save the data, and then we will go to our other page, and here we will bind our field to app state profile name. We have profile name here, and we want to bind actually this image to image of profile. How to do this? As your data is saved in SQL Server, we don't have ability directly directly to get this image, because if we will query our profile in like for example get profile by ID, I will select some profile, we will receive data like in not very useful format. As you can see, it returned as big pile of bytes, and how to transform them, we can write some custom code, but we prefer to work without code. So actually API flow provides you with specific action. It tracks if you have binary fields in your database, it will provide this action. It will be called generate link for DPO, like some database field. In this case, we have avatar here. So I will request it using profile ID, and I need to specify format. Usually you will use something like image PNG. You can also use PDF, it will be application PDF, and etc. etc. So it supports image formats, audio formats, video formats, and some other specific formats. We all the time extend supported formats, but image, videos, audio, and PDF is supported, which is very useful if we work with FlutterFlow. So we do test, and as you can see, it generated specific URL. This URL will be valid only for this record, and it will not allow other users to receive images for profile 3, for example, or other profile, because here will be specific key encrypted that is valid only for some specific item. So how we will do it? We will actually call this action from our page, and we'll receive that link, and we'll bind our image to that link. Let's check how to do this. So we have our view profile page, and here we have profile image variable in our local page state, and this profile image is configured as image path. So I have here some image path profile image created in page state variable. Then when I load my page, I want to call API, to do API call, and I will use generate link for my avatar field, and I will add variables. Profile ID will be bound to app state profile ID, and format will be specified as image PNG. It will be like constant always. And I will name it API image link. So now after my link is generated, I want to save it into page variable to display in my page. So I use profile image path variable, set value, and I will use action output. I don't create a specific data type here because it's only one field. So I will use another approach. I will use JSON body, I will use JSON path, and I will use link field here, and this will provide me with value that is inside of link field. And now for this image, I will bind it to my page state profile image variable. Let's check how it works. Let's check it from start when we will upload our image, save name, email address, and then we'll check how it will be displayed. So I have my application in test mode in FlutterFlow, and I will upload my photos. You remember with my gallery. and upload some photo. And next I will use name. I will fill name and I will fill my email, and next I will save profile. So at this point, as you can see, data was saved and I see this data in my application. So this data was queried from server to API flow. I received it into FlutterFlow and rendered image here. You can use this approach to allow your users upload, for example, some documents or upload some images or upload some files into your database and then render these images into your application. It will be available through features of API Flow platform. I hope this video and this approach will enhance your experience for FlutterFlow applications development. Many developers asked me about how we can work with binary data, how to work with files stored in database. So I hope this video will be useful to many developers. Follow our channel, subscribe for notifications, ask in the comments about other questions. I am very grateful for your feedback. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.